be aware of what's permanent. In Minnesota divorce law, property division is permanent. So what is the property? Biggest thing that most people encounter are real estate, right? Your marital home. One of the two of you is likely to end up with it. If it doesn't go that way, you're either selling it or it's a strategic surrender / foreclosure. But most people end up with it or you sell it. Once it's decided as to who's getting the house and the judge signs that, it's their house. Unless you've specifically included like a reservation that says if they're not banking their payments or they don't do something else, then then you can force the sale. Unless that's explicitly included in there, that's permanent. Division of retirement interests, investments, permanent. Allocation of vehicles, permanent. Boats, recreational vehicles, all permanent. Furniture, clothing, you're almost always going to get your own personal effects, but that's permanent too. But you're not likely to be dividing clothing. But bank accounts, other cash, life insurance, all permanent. Once you've signed on the dotted line and the judge has signed that, it's done. Even if it's 2 days, 2 weeks, or 2 years later, you can't go back and change those things unless there's a specific carve out, which is rare. So with that in mind, when it comes to equitably dividing the marital estate, and also for that more point, like making sure the debts are just kind of negative assets, right? So you want to make sure you get that right, because frankly, if you don't get it right, you're going to get saddled with not getting your fair share, more debt than you should, not as much cash or other equity, and that's not setting you up for a good future. My name's Matt. I'm divorced, turning nearly 20 years. If you like this sort of content, please click like, follow below. Thanks.